Hi, welcome to another video from technery.com, and today we'll talk about the recent announcement by the company MediaTek. So the brand MediaTek has made a major announcement. MediaTek is world's fourth largest global fabless semiconductor company. They have announced two new chipsets. Let us have a look at the details of these chipsets. These chipsets will offer smoother performance, faster, enhanced power efficiency, and will be able to deliver brilliant graphics as per the company. It will help to provide low latency gaming experience to the user. They will offer enhanced gaming features too. These are also perfect fit for photography enthusiasts as well as gamers. This will certainly boost the mobile gaming experience. These chipsets will be seen soon in the gaming smartphones. Both these chipsets are using ARM Cortex A53 CPUs. These will be operating up to 2 GHz and 2.3 GHz for the MediaTek Helio G25 and G35 chipsets. These chipsets have IMP Power VR GE8320 GPUs with speeds of 650 MHz and up to 680 MHz for G25 and G35 respectively. Both these chipsets are combined with MediaTek Hyper Engine's intelligent power management. It will help to use good power efficiency, providing long battery life and gaming sessions. It is able to switch from Wi-Fi to LTE within milliseconds during a weak Wi-Fi signal, ensuring smoother gaming experience. These chipsets are using intelligent and dynamic management of the GPU, CPU, and memory. It is able to support the multi-camera smartphones and also has hardware depth engine for dual camera bokeh photography. The G25 supports single camera mode up to 21 megapixels at 30 fps. The G35 is able to support 25 megapixel cameras and also AI enhanced camera features including the simulated bokeh effects. The EIS electronic image stabilization and RSC rolling shutter compensation engines intelligently mitigate warp videos while capturing panning video or fast action video. These chips are able to support the AI camera enhancements like smart photo album, AI beautification, and also enhanced precision in bokeh captures. These chipsets have integrated 4G LTE world mode modems. These include essential 4G SIM support and also VoLTE or VILTE on both the connections. It uses MediaTek TAS 2.0 smart antenna technology, which helps in low power consumption and best connection. It is able to support Bluetooth 5 and Wi Fi, which will enhance the performance while connecting wireless headphones and gamepads. The chipsets will be used by major brands. In upcoming months, you will be able to see the brands using these chipsets in their smartphones. So check out our Twitter and keep watching the Technology channel. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel and also like this video and share it with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead.